How do you become an entrepreneur? How I went from stressed out 9 to 5 to earning online in just 2 hours a day. So 4 years ago, I was stuck in a 9 to 5 job, stressed out and barely making ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck. But everything changed when I discovered the online industry and everything the internet has to offer. I remember sitting at my desk feeling trapped, thinking, there's got to be more to life than this, right? I didn't have any tech skills or social media following, but I knew I needed a change. One day, I stumbled across an interactive program that promised to teach me how to make money online, even as a complete beginner. I was skeptical, but I had nothing to lose, and I knew the importance of investing in myself and my skills. So within 2 days, I had a fully automated system set up. I was focused on marketing skills, just 2 hours a day, and the best part is I could do this anywhere in the world. So I know, it sounds too good to be true. I had the same doubts, but this isn't some magic trick. It's a simple step-by-step process anyone can follow. You don't need any experience following and no skills. I didn't. If you're ready to break free from the 9 to 5 grind and live life on your own terms, drop me a comment so that I can share this value bomb with you. This program is changing my life. It's helped my mindset, self-development, pushing me out of my comfort zone, and it's amazing to see 35,000 other people winning inside of our community. So the only thing standing in the way of you and your dream life is you. Take that first step.